everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. In today's video I'm going to use the lids of the juice bottle and also other lids that are lying around the home and to convert that into a useful project that I can reuse. And these are the juice bottles I stuck together, and also these are some of the extra juice bottles, and this is basically something that I got from Dollar Tree, a small container that you can put your craft stuff. So I use this as a feed for one of the projects. So I have the lids lying around, so I thought like I'll do something with that. So I'm going to use all of this and to convert that into something useful. So I'm going to use this foam sheet, the shiny foam sheets. I'm going to use 3 colors, and what else I do need is the glue gun and a scissor and a couple of glue sticks. So let's get into the video. So what I did while we are gone, so I just removed this white part that was there, and I did with the box cutter, just scraped it down with the box cutter so it looks like round, and I'm going to stick it. So I stuck these also, like the 3 of them like that, and I'm going to use that as like a stand to put my flower pot on top of it, or maybe I can use like a trivet at kitchen to put my hot stuff. Or maybe like a coaster. Options are innumerable. Like that. So I'll cut like that, the back, keeping the mark like that, and I'm going to make on the top, and also I'm going to cut the borders of this one, and I'll be back. There you have it, the final completed project of the lids. So I covered with a shiny pink foam sheet with the diamond wrap on the sides to give a neat look on the sides, and I'm not going to cover in the back. And I'm also done with this one. I've done with a blue foam sheet with a silver diamond wrap, and I get the other one green with the blue diamond wrap. And these are the smaller lids of those boxes that I showed, and I had the plain pink foam sheet with purple diamond wrap. And these are the coasters that were lying in the house. I brought it long time back from Dollar Tree, so I thought like I'll also give this shiny look to it. So I attached the blue foam sheet with the green dot on it, so I gave the same alternate, the green foam sheet with the blue dot on it. So yeah, I'm going to use this as my trivet, or maybe like coaster, or maybe like I'll put my plants on top of it. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm very happy how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching this too. And if you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.